Hey everybody, Jay Schlansky here with Game Uplink. Very excited to give you a demo of our brand new tournament organizer software. This first version is our beta that we're testing out now, and the game system that we're focused on is Legion. So when you look at this, you're going to see that this is clearly made for Star Wars Legion, and we're going to be adding more games in the future, but this was our backbone that we're building the rest of our system on. And so here we go. So first off, Game Uplink is best served in mobile version. You can use it in the desktop version, but mobile looks the best, and that's what it was designed for. And what we're looking at now on the home screen, on the screen here, is the home page. And just kind of get you used to the home page here. We have in the upper left corner is the hamburger menu, and that's going to give you kind of a bunch of links and stuff to get you throughout the tool. Those links can also similarly be found on the quick bar on the bottom. And then in addition, on this home page, you have your create event link, your find an event link, your login, which is in the upper right hand corner. This is your login to get to your profile. So what I'm going to do here is to log in. I'm going to go ahead and click that profile link, and that's going to bring us to a login for authorization to get in. You could sign in with a Google account, or you could, if you want to just sign up directly with the website, you could do that. If you don't want to use your Google account, we totally get that. So all you need is an email, password, and your name. But as you all can see already, I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and use that account, and I'm going to go and log in. So once I log in, it brings me right back to the home screen. And generally, and we'll show this in a bit here, but generally if I have an upcoming event, it would show up right here below the create an event and find an event links. But once I'm logged in, what I can do is if I click on that upper right icon again, as you can see, it now has my initials in it. And if I click that, that gives me kind of to my profile view. And you can see it has my name, what my email that I'm using here. And then I can also add a Discord name in here. You can also, by clicking the edit button, you can change your name, you can add a nickname, you can add a Discord name. You can't change your email. Once you sign up with an email, that's the email that you use, because that's how we identify people. This tells you how many tournaments you've played in our system, how many you've organized in our system. Also has quick links to your events, venues, tables, and teams. So now when we look at the venues, tables, and teams buttons, those are actually future items. So those aren't in the system yet, but just a little tease of things to come. So once you look at this and this all seems okay, we can go ahead and click home at the bottom in the quick links bar and get us back to home. So you've logged in, you've created an account with us, and now there's really probably two reasons that you're here. One is to either find an event that you want to join, or one is to create an event. So let's say we wanted to find an event. We would click the find an event here, or the tournaments with the search icon at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now you can see an entire list of tons of events that are in our system. So anybody who's having an event coming up for playing Legion in this instance, it's going to be in the system. Now you can search. So I think I saw one that said Kingpin, so we'll do that. Yep. And so search starts to come up. So now let's say you're not here to find an event, but you're actually here to start an event. I'm going to go back to the home page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the create an event button. And there's some information now that we'll need to put in. So first off, we're going to put in the name of the event. I'm going to call it the Game Uplink test event here. Then you decide what date it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead and put this for Friday. You can select multiple dates on this. So let's say we wanted it Friday and Saturday, or I'm sorry, there we go, Friday and Saturday. It added that in. If I just want it Friday, that's fine as well. Now the venue, I'm going to say this is going to be in Syracuse. Description here, this is of the event. So we're going to say this is a test event. Okay, and then we have links on here that you could see right here. Now, this is anything from like a link to TO documents to maybe a link to the hotel where people are staying, that sort of thing. But what we could do is click that little plus icon. I'm going to put Game Uplink here. Let's do this, Game Uplink. And then I'm going to put our website in here. And I'm going to go ahead and add that link. You can see the HTTPS was already in there. The next thing we decide on is the rule set. Now, right now, we only have SOS active. We will have more rule sets in the future, but this is the one right now that's active. The next decision to make is list for the event. Do we want them visible or do we want them hidden? I'm going to say visible here. And unlocked, which means players, visible and hidden means... So if it's hidden, no one can see the list except for the TO. If it's visible, everyone can see the list, including the TO. And then same with locked and unlocked. So if it's unlocked, players can edit their lists. If it's locked, players cannot change their list and only the TO can. So I'm going to go ahead and say unlocked. Now, we have a couple different types of registrations. We have requests, open, or closed. So the difference between all these are closed means no one can register for the event. They have to be added by the TO. They can't just like say register for the event. They have to be added. Open, which is the next one here, means anybody can join the event. So it's just open until the player limit is met. And then requests only means that you have to request to actually get into the event. So I'm going to go ahead and say requests. Now as a TO, I can add more people into that if I want. Then we could select our player limit. I'm going to say 4 just to get us through this, just so we could do a quick demo. And then our round limit's going to be 3 rounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and create this event. So we get this really cool congratulations screen letting us know that our event has been created. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the event.